You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at what is the meaning of the name Aire and how to pronounce it. You've just heard it. The pronunciation is as Aire. So let's go and find out what it actually means. The name Aire is both a boy's name and a girl's name, so it can be used for both. The meaning of Aire is air, indeed. It's an ancient or bygone spelling of the word air, so it means exactly the same thing. It is a rare name popularized by Kylie Jenner. That's the name of her baby son, baby boy. Aire, the meaning of air. Now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.